Hello viewers, I'm Sada Fijaz from Maths Genie. Apart from teaching, one of our main objectives is to help the students build their career. Our career counselors help the students choose the right career path. When you're studying to be an engineer, you should also be focused on on-campus placement. Trends are shifting day by day, and recruiters are focusing on your personality and communication skills rather than marks. If you want to add a new goal to your life, then you should clear your placement in a single chance. To be a talented candidate, you should be streamlined, focused, and professional so that recruiters can be impressed by you. Today, we are going to share with you tips on how to impress recruiters. As an aspiring applicant, you should craft your resume beautifully, but there are many more factors that drive the placement process. Discipline. Professionalism is a great thing that you have to learn. When you are going for a placement interview, then you should be disciplined. The organization always looks for employees who are honest and disciplined. For the smooth functioning of any organization, they look for someone who can help the company to make growth in the future. You should have the power to fulfill the organization's goals. Let them know how serious you are about the specific job role. Technical knowledge. The essential quality that an interviewer checks while hiring is the knowledge of technology. In this time, technology plays a great role, and to be a perfect candidate, you should be updated on the changes of technology. You can also bring important documents and add them to show your skills. Communication skills. An effective communication is key to grab the attention of every recruiter. Effective communication is the basis of a successful life. The company always staffs candidates who have professional communication skills. Communication skill is the backbone of any organization. Most of the interviewers look for candidates who are skilled and have confidence. So, if you're going to join the placement this year, then stay focused, be polite, and be calm. Team player. To be a perfect candidate for any job role, you should have the ability to play a team. No matter whether it's a large business or a small one, it needs teamwork. You need to work with a team and achieve the goal within the deadline. The interviewer always tries to check your abilities. If you have the efficiency to work in a team, then they will hire you for sure. Strategist. When you sit in any placement, then the major thing that the interviewer asks from you is presence of mind. They check your personality and your confidence during the conversion. You should go beyond the visions to make the place in any organization. A candidate should have the power and ideas to successfully implement the new ideas. You should be updated about their related industry and recent changes so that you can amaze them. Leadership. To be an effective candidate for any job role, first, you have to learn leadership qualities. Leadership qualities are something that is mostly important in an interview. To be the first choice of the placement cell, you have to build team leading skills. They are always looking for potential leaders who have the quality to lead and move a team no matter what the condition is. So are you ready to shine in the interview? If you have just completed your engineering and are looking to participate in your next interview, then expand your knowledge. Expand your ideas outside the academics and build your personality. Try to impress the panel with your skills. By considering these things, you should try to be professional and personal growth. Experience the challenges and inspire yourself on how to impress recruiters. When you are choosing the right place, then you can work with a flexible workplace. You should try to look further to enrich your resume with this. If you like this video, then please visit our website mathsgenie.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and keep watching.